Bangla walking.
วันติ๊กเกอร์โพสหลบโฟโต้ค่ะถ่ายรูปไหมคะถ่ายรูปด้วยกันโซนชาร์จค่ะ ดูคาเมล่ไหม
Hi Anna is just having fun, you know, looking at the people, noticing people. How is it going here in Patong Beach in Bangla Road? And so interesting to see these people, guys. It's really true what they are talking about here. Very true. Good night, people.
Yeah, it's really fun because here in their like family mart is like 7-Eleven. You can just insert one baht here and you can weigh your luggage, you know, so that you can see if you're over baggage before you head into the airport. Have this fruit.
Right now it is 9:25 in the morning and it's kind of gloomy today, you know, so it's really good that I'm leaving today. The sun should be out, and yesterday probably, I don't know, maybe, you know, rainy season starts here already. And yesterday when we were in James Bond Island tour on the boat, there was really strong rain that it really scares everybody. I will be heading to Singapore. I will be having 1 day stopover, like 23-hour stopover. So I will be hopefully, you know, roam around, you know, see Singapore for just a day. So many tourists here in Phuket. That's why, you know, it's quite, you know, traffic as well. Many vehicles as well. So, you know, if you like you ride in like taxi something, then just make sure to wear your seatbelt, guys, because you know, you don't know what to expect, you know, on the road. Look at the weather, guys. You know, it's kind of gloomy today here in Phuket. My last day. All okay? Okay. Okay. Kapung ka.
Oh.
Yeah. There.